Morning friends. I hope you all are safe and enjoy Ganesh holiday. So welcome back to Information Technology lesson number 3, Advanced JavaScript. In this lecture you are going to learn the practical on Windows objects. So let's start. In this lecture you are going to learn Windows object and their properties and method. On the same you are going to learn the practical. So let's start Windows object. It is the very top of the object hierarchy is the Windows object. Windows object is the parent object of all other objects. It represents an open window in a browser, and also an object of window is created automatically by the browser. So every program has a windows. Without window there is no any other program which will open in different way. Every program is opening in window. So whenever you write any program, it will open in the particular windows, and windows has some properties and a method. So what are the properties and methods are there for the Windows object? We are going to learn one by one. Now the properties and their descriptions. When to use the name property? The name property you can use to set or return the name of a Windows. Suppose you are going to set the name to the window, then you can use the name property. Location. By using this property you can return the location object for the windows. Next property, document. This property mostly we use to return the document object for the windows. Means whatever content you are writing in that particular window that you are going to display in the same window, we can use the document properties. Next, the status. It is used to state or return the text in the status bar of a window. The status what you have written by using this property will be displayed on the status bar. Close property. This property is used to close the window. It's written a boolean value indicate whether a window has been closed or not. Similar way we are going to use the method. Some other method we are going to use while writing the JavaScript programs are: first one is the alert. It displays the alert box containing the message with OK button. This method, if you use in the JavaScript program, will display the alert box containing message with the OK button. Next method, confirm. This function, if you use while writing the JavaScript program, it displays the dialog box of the confirmation message containing two buttons, OK and cancel button. Means any message you want to display on the screen and you want to ask that you want to proceed ahead or you want to cancel, then you can use the confirm method. Next method is prompt. It displays the dialog box to get an input from the user. By using this property, you can ask the user to enter some value by typing or using the keyboard. It displays the dialog box to enter the input. Open method or the function. It is used to open the new window. Whenever you want to open any window, we can use the method open. Close method we can use to close the current window, which the window is open. That window, if you want to close, then you can use the close method or the close function. Blur function or the method remove the focus from the current window. It is used to remove the focus on the current window. Similar way, it is opposite. The focus function is there. It is used to set the focus to the current window. Next function or the method is the print. It is used to print the content of the current window. In the current window, whatever you are going to you are displayed, that thing you are going to print on the paper, and you want that hard copy, you can use these print functions. And the same time out function or the method, we can call the function or the evaluate an expression after a specific number of milliseconds. In a specific time or the second you want to display any message, we can use the set timeout function. So these are the properties and methods we are going to use in the JavaScript program to write a JavaScript program. So once you have written JavaScript program by using this property and methods, you will understand. So let's see one by one. In this practical lectures, you are going to learn alert functions or alert method, confirmations method, prompt, close, open, print, set time out. So these are the different method you are going to use. Similar way we are going to use the property, document, location, name, close, status. So let's start the practicals. So we will use to write a JavaScript program to display the alert message by using the alert function. To start or write JavaScript program, you have to start text editor from your computer. That may be Notepad or any other text editors. I have opened here the Sublime text editor which is present in my computer. You can use any other, then go to the file and click on new file, so you will get a new window over here. Previously any program you have written, that you can copy here and straight away you can write the program, so you can save your time. So I am copying the program which is written in the last lectures. I am going to copy this program, copy, and I am going to paste in the new windows, so I can save the time. So once you pasted this program, then you can edit the program, so you can save the time. So let's start how to display the alert message. So the some basic tags are there in the JavaScript program that will remain same. For example, doc type HTML, HTML head, title you can give alert message, then the script type text JavaScript, that will remain same. Function you are going to use here, I am going to use the function sample function I am going to use here, so I can write here sample function. Okay, now I'm going to use the first method, that is set timeout, windows.setTimeout. This method or this function I'm going to use here. Okay, so I'm writing here windows dot set time out, then in bracket using the next function, then comma, how many milliseconds you want that message will display on the screen. You have to type I want 4 seconds, means 4000 milliseconds. Okay, and then close the curly bracket, then function next we are going to use here, and again we are going to open the curly bracket and we'll use alert function. Alert, in message you have to write this message will be displayed on the screen after 4 seconds, so we are going to write 4 seconds have passed. 4 seconds have passed. Every statement in JavaScript has to be completed with a semicolon. So complete the curly bracket or the brace bracket, then complete the script tag, head tag, then we are going to create one style. So we are going to use the body style equal double inverted quote background color, colon. You can use any color name over here. I am using cyan color. You can take any other color name. H1 align equal center click button and wait for message. Like this message you are going to print on the web page. That's why I use the H1 heading style. You have to close the H1. Then input type button value we are going to write here, because we use the time functions, time out functions. So we can write here time out function. On click, which function we use? First, sample function. So we can call that function over here sample function, which is use your first function, that is called sample function. You have to call your sample function to click on that button. Then you have to close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Save this program, go to the file and click on save and give the name alert.html and click on save. So your program has been saved. Now you are going to see the output, whether you have written that program is correct or wrong, that you are going to find out. If you get the output, then your program what you have written, that is correct. So open this program in the browser. So I am clicking right mouse button and clicking on open in browser. So open in browser, this is the output of your program. Click button and wait for the message. Now here is a button, time out functions. Once you click on this time out functions, you will get the message 4 seconds have passed. The alert message will come. So alert box will appear on the screens. Let's see by clicking on this button, timeout function. 4 seconds have passed. So this is the message come. This is called alert method or alert functions, which is used to display the message. Okay. One more functions we are going to use, that is confirm. So this functions or this method if you use, then it will display the confirm dialog box containing message with OK and cancel button. Now you got a OK button only here. You want to display OK and cancel, then you have to close this window and make some changes in the program. So on the place of alert functions, we can use here confirm function. Confirm functions. Save this program and right click and open in the browser and check it. Once you click on the time out functions, you will get 4 seconds have passed, but 2 button OK and cancel. So OK and cancel button will display only the method confirm. Alert method will display only the OK button. Once again we'll see. Close this window, go back to the program, change the confirm and put here alert function. Save this and open in the browser and check. Click on the timeout function. See 4 seconds have passed. OK button, only OK button, because the alert message will display the alert box containing message with OK button.
but the confirm method will display the confirm dialog box containing message with OK and cancel button. Now we are going to use the print functions. We'll see it will display the print dialog box which will ask you to print the content of the current window. But if you want to display some message here with the confirmations method, we can print over there. So click OK. We are going to use the confirmation method also in the same program. So okay, let's see the confirm method. How to use the confirm method. So here you have to type confirm and in bracket you have to type the message what you are going to display on the screen. So I am writing here, do you want to print this content? Do you want to print this content? Then click OK or click OK. Okay, like this message you want to display. Save this program and check whether it is showing this message or not. Open this program in the browser. Click on this function timeout. First message will come through the alert functions, and the second message you will get this message come from the confirm methods. So do you want to print this content? Then click OK. If you click on the OK button, it will start it will display the print dialog box. Okay, but now it will not display because we not use the print methods. So we are going to click on the cancel, close this, and again come back to your programs and use the print method. So print method or function you are going to use like this, and if you use this functions, save this program, open in the browser and check whether it is working or not. The first message comes, second message is asking do you want to print this content, then click OK. Once you click on the OK button, the print dialog box will display. Now print dialog box is already displayed asking you to print this content. If you select the printer over here and click on the print, this whatever is there in this window, click button and wait for message, this content will get printed, as well as the this timeout function button. So if you click on the print button, it will be start printing, it will get printing. So now it started printing. See the ifs and not ready because I not connected this printer to print. So okay, once you connected the printer to print this content, it will start printing. Okay, so I hope all these methods, alert, confirm, open, close, set timeout, print, this method you use, as well as the document and name properties in status and close, we are going to see in the next practical.